Funny Bone Live, Aina's son.
Mark on the beg to clap for me. Wait to go come do my steez. I want to reduce my composure. When I hear introduction, he came all the way from Anambra and I see they look me. Yeah. That's more like it. You know, Igbo men, Anambra people. Any Igbo people here? Igbo kwenu? Hi! Oh, no, they are not boot. Mwege. Came from Anambra, Onitsha, to be precise. Do you know Onitsha? They gist me Lagos gist. Say for Oshodi, under bridge, they go slap you, collect your phone. Do you know where I'm coming from? Onitsha, Opi Weka. On top that flyover, they go collect your phone. As they come down, they go sell and give you back. They whine me. The only thing where Lagos take past Anambra, na traffic on I get. Now the average Lagosian spends more than half his life in traffic. Why? For what reason? Then the another thing for the traffic, now the nonsense where they say inside. For traffic. Daddy, today for traffic, I see human being. They say rat poison. He say, make I buy. I say, liquid rat poison, I say, liquid rat poison, how do they use that? The guy say you go catch the rat, give him 2 spoons in the morning, 2 spoons in the afternoon, 2 spoons in the night for 2 weeks. If the rats no die, use stone, kill him. Happy Father's Day, everybody. Happy Father. Please, if you love your dad, a round of applause for your father, I beg. This year Father's Day loud, and I love it. I've been only me. This year's Father's Day, he loud now. I love it. Finally, the men are getting the recognition they deserve. Know how hard over the years to be man. Things that women will do and get away with it. Once man do and wala. Woman bath black soap. Na skincare. Man bath black soap. Na juju. Woman go in boyfriend house. Carry in singlet and boxers. Go house. Na love. Man go in babe house. Carry in pants. Na ritual. No, man are the thinker. Man run mad. Now the juju when you do, run am mad. Woman run mad. Now man use them. Why? For what? Wetin man do you now for this life? Women, please. Pressure too much. Wanna try. For una husband, do 1 or 2. For them. As Father's Day. I don't know, for those of you that took your husband out, take them out, your boyfriend. Take them out to places, buy them gifts. Then send them the bill. Yes, now. Send the bill to them. I came from one of those houses where we at first, in fact, all of us for here will be guys. You know that at some point your father will say, don't worry, you will understand where you grow. I swear, I understand now. Like this. I understand. If the way this country, none of us saw it coming. None of us see where we did now for this country coming. Before, in Nigeria, if you buy 10K fuel, now, this is for people that drive. If you don't have a car, quiet. Before, if you buy 10K fuel in this country, drive, enter filling station, 10K. The time where they take for 10K to pump finish, you go get chance bond with your car. You go look your motor, observe your motor, see where they scratch you for traffic, see sticker where Jehovah Witness put. You get time, admire your car finish, check pump attendants, 10K still they pump. Now, with 10K, people go drive, enter filling station, they take serious life decisions. Whether to buy fuel or to chop. You buy 10K, before you turn, you hear that sound for this thing, you hear click. You go break your heart, you go turn, come face the pump attendant with heartbreak, you come ask him, or Google. 2 seconds. This say easy. If you be gay, you visit me, I on gen for you. Just know say we don't start the date. Anything will make me come use my motor, come pick you. See, island to mainland and long distance relationship, in case you don't know. It is a long distance relationship now when the person they stay abroad. Anything will make you they stay on the other side of this Eco third mainland bridge. So nothing supposed to concern me and you. Now, but the problem now is say where they island, they try go mainland now because they say the cholera outbreak now this side is day. Everything we get advantage, get disadvantage. Oh. Now the rich people now for island they suffer cholera. The poor one, no, not poor. The not so rich ones for mainland, they say nothing concern them. Ha! I don't park now. I moved to Lagos 2 months ago. I moved back this morning. When boy we come from Anambra, I started appreciating my father a lot more as this Father's Day the approach because me, I don't see things. I just got married, by the way. Yeah, I just got married. Never too late why I married. So I can't begin see. You know how I don't know whether I do those of when we marry. Who looks married? Daddy. And I just want to ask, when you marry, for like the first 1 month, you the first forget, say you don't marry, Abi? I'm at that level. I'm at that stage in my life. I don't remember say I don't marry. I carry my wife one day. Recently, my marriage is barely 2 weeks. I just carry my wife one day. We just go chop, finish. I can't ask her, okay, so should I drop you in your house? Abi, you should. I forget to. I started appreciating my father a lot more. Growing up, I grew up in one of those homes where my dad was not poor. Anything when I see me they do, now me decide I won't do them. The man try for all of us. If they ever told you as a child that if you chop for dream, so that they initiate you, make us see your hand. My dad was one of those people. He said, if you eat in your dream, being initiated into the marine kingdom. Me, man, marine kingdom. How? So he was seriously against eating in the dream. My father said, if they give you food for dream, reject it. One day, true life story, I dey sleep. They give me burger for my dream. And I was rejecting it. I was shouting, this burger, I will not take, I will not take. I did not know. You know how that dream thing they do? Something where they talk for dream. I can't they talk them out. My dad heard. He woke me up. Neche. I said, sir. He said, in Igbo, Kenye Gnaro. Said, I didn't burger. I said, me tire? He said, I know, sir. I said, let's go out. He took me out, bought me burger. Update. Update. As my brother sees it and give me burger because I reject them for dream. The first they observe. That night, I lie down again. As I can't lie down, I can't talk for the dream. Fried rice up, Mary. My father wake me. He said, Neche, what did they give you? I said, fried rice. He said, did you take it? I said, no, sir. He said, let's go out. He buy me fried rice. Children of God, that night, I lie down this side. My younger brother lie down this side. The third one lie down. Our house be like choir. This one, they shout, fried rice up, Mary. This one, chicken and chips up, Martha. My father said, what are they giving you people? I said, fried rice. This one said chicken and chips. He's carry all of us, so he go by. That night, my mother joined. And you know, say once woman don't join, he don't spoil. For nights, my mother lie down. Everybody they talk their problem. My mom starts, Hollandis, who could judge? Manwe. My father said, sweet, what did they give you? He said, they gave me Hollandis. He said, did you take it? He said, no. He carried my mama, he buy Hollandis. That night, my mama end the thing. The woman lie down for night. Turn the shout, G-Wagon now, man, we are G-Wagon. My father said, come on, attack now, boss. Thank you very much, Lagos. God bless you.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Prince Neche. Funny Bone Live, Aina Son.